Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 BMW 330e and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. Okay, so before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So to prep it, just apply Slip Solution. And then with the clean microfiber towel, make sure you remove all the contaminants that the headlight might have. So it has to be clean so you can do the installation. Okay, so to start off the installation, apply Slip Solution onto the headlight and Slip Solution onto your tint film, and you're just going to align it right to this edge first. So make sure it's aligned, place it, make sure it doesn't fall off so we can work on that section. So align it right on the edge, make sure it's aligned on the bottom and on the side. So around there should be fine. So now that we have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution behind the film and on top. Make sure it's still aligned. And with your squeegee, tack it down, but make sure you're holding it in place, that way it doesn't move. And just help it tack down on the top section as well. Okay, so make sure this section is secured before we move on. Once we have this section tacked down, now we could stretch the film. But as we are stretching, we need to make sure that it's aligned here. So stretch and align at the same time to meet it to that edge here. So stretch the film, make sure it's still aligned on the bottom here. Stretch it, meet it up to the edge, make sure it's still aligned. And just so we could stretch it better, because the film does get dry when you're stretching, just apply Slip Solution and continue again stretching until you meet it to the edge here. Once you have it on the edge, lift the film and do the same steps. Apply Tack Solution. That way we can start securing this section here. Hold it in position and just tack it down, and tack down this section with your squeegee like how we did with that end. And just make sure the film is still aligned. So if it did shift up, just bring it back down and tack it down. And just to help the squeegee glide better and to make sure we remove any solution behind the film, just go ahead and apply Tack Solution and just start securing this whole section of the tint here. And don't forget about the top. Make sure it's still aligned and tack it down. And then for these small fingers here and the small one here, all we need to do is just apply Tack Solution and heat, and we should be able to remove those fingers by squeegeeing at an angle, so like this. So Tack Solution and your heat gun. And you could also use your microfiber towel to help bring down the film if you are having trouble with the squeegee. It just helps absorb the solution behind the film and also adds a little bit more pressure to remove the fingers here. Okay, and then just before we move on with the post heating, we need to make sure there's no solution behind the film. And once you see that you tack down everything and there's no solution behind the film, then we could go ahead and finish off by post heating the whole film to help the adhesive activate faster and tack down better to the headlight. So to post heat, all you need to do is just apply Tack Solution on the headlight and use heat just to go all around the film. And you could use your microfiber towel, tack down the film as well. Okay, so that concludes the headlight tint installation video for the 2023 BMW 330e. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.